Hi friends, I'm Parikshit from Kids Fun Club.
So he is Parikshit from Kids Funland Club, and I am Parikshit's dad.
The black sketch pen is filled from my papa's hand.
So, what are we gonna draw today?
Knight shining armor.
In shining armor, a knight. Who is a knight? Who
Uh,
fights a soldier, a knight. So we'll be drawing a knight, a cartoon knight, obviously.
yeah,
That would be grey in color, and with a shining armor
yeah.
and a sword.
Oh no!
So, what do we need?
And a shield.
A black sketch pen.
As a black sketch pen and paper that's something color. And
So let's start drawing. So we start with the face. How do we make the face? See, so easy, easy peasy, like a robot. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
What, Papa? Oh, wait for me.
Even I will change. And I am not liking it. Let's start again. Let's start again. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Okay. And then
In that autumn, boy drawing, Papa did it probably for looking so ugly. Isn't it, Papa?
my face is done. My ears are done.
My ears also are done.
Now I'll make the body. And we make the shield. How do we make the shield? Okay. Yes. The hands holding the shield and the other hand holding the how is it? Yes. And the legs?
Very tiny legs.
Yeah. Okay. The sword. How do we make the sword? And this. Okay. Yeah.
And I am done.
We make the. What is called this called? Do you know?
No.
Even I don't know. Mama must be knowing this. Did you make the star?
Yes.
And did you make the shield eye cover?
Yes.
How is this?
I made everything.
Very good. But did you make as nice as I am making?
Yes, I made. See?
No, you did not.
See, Papa?
It's not as nice as me.
Because I have to keep practicing.
Yes. And how do we make the stars? Oh my god, my star is looking so pathetic.
Make a new one.
So we'll use a dark color, dark grey and a light grey color.
Not a dark gray, okay?
Let's use.
Why you didn't able to find your light gray, kya?
You have your light grey? Where is it?
It is in my hand.
Where's your dark gray?
I don't have a dark gray.
This is my dark gray. I will use this one. Hmm.
Not that nice.
Your drawing, no? Yes, it's not that nice.
Your drawing.
Your drawing, no?
No, you're coloring.
Yeah, it's not that nice. I know that it's a yuck. Your drawing is yuck.
No, your coloring is yuck. I think your coloring is yuck.
Yuck?
Yeah.
Who, your?
No, your.
Your is yuck.
See, mine is so beautiful.
So let's see who
See,
wins.
Papa.
Very good. Let's see who wins.
This race.
Yeah.
Who finished the coloring
Who
first?
finishes it first? Yes.
No, I'm going to do my coloring pretty. Yes.
No problem. Okay. Ho 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 ho. La 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 lo lo. Ho 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 ho.
Why ho ho ho?
Because I am almost done. Don't make a bad coloring in hurry.
Not a nice color.
See, it's looking black.
What?
It's looking black. Looking so dark.
No problem.
Yes. And the red color.
Something is not clear.
Yo. And some fluorescent green color. And then the yellow color.
Your drawing is not even nice than mine.
And my knight is almost ready. Close to getting. So kids, if you are not able to follow it so fast, you can pause the video or you can make the speed slower. Yeah, I am done. While Parikshit is still,
I'm trying to do nice coloring.
that's okay. Take your time. Come a little this side. Are you done? Very good. Too good, too good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Yo. Yes.
So friends, whose drawing is better? My drawing or my papa's drawing?
This. Which drawing is better?
Tell me in the
Yes.
comments.
Tell us. Do tell us. Which drawing is better?
Mine is much better.
No, mine is better.
You tell us in the comments.
Yo, why don't you tell us? Let's see who wins. How many likes for my drawings and how many likes for Parikshit's drawing?
So if you love Papa's drawing, do subscribe his channel. If you love my drawing,
Yes.
do subscribe my channel.
Yes. So,
Bye-bye.
bye-bye. Have a good day. And do not forget to like and subscribe and share your kids' drawings with us on Instagram and tag us at @KidsFunLearnClub.
If you want to get some books,
Yeah, drawing books.
yeah,
Do visit our website.
that website, kidsfunlearn.com/books.
Yay!